Welcome to your step-by-step guide on maintaining your hot tub with our aromatherapy and non-chlorine spa shock treatment. This product helps your sanitizer work more efficiently, maintaining the balance and clarity of your spa water, all while infusing your spa with soothing aromas. For the best results, balance the alkalinity and pH levels first. Read the directions on the package and always apply other spa chemicals separately. Never combine products. To use aromatherapy, turn the spa pumps on high, then sprinkle the powder directly into the water. Add 1.5 ounces of this treatment per 250 gallons of water. Then your spa is ready to use. You can also use spa aromatherapy after each use to help your sanitizer work more efficiently. Simply add 1 tablespoon per 250 gallons of water after using your hot tub. Allow your pump to run for 20 minutes to fully circulate the powder. Remember to test the water with test strips and adjust levels if necessary to maintain the best quality water. With this aromatherapy treatment, not only will your spa stay clean and balanced, but every soak will become an aromatic oasis of relaxation. If you have any questions or concerns about aromatherapy shock or your water quality, feel free to contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.